Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 16 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, a bullet traveling with a velocity of 16 meter per second penetrates a tree trunk and comes to rest in 0.4 meters. Find the time taken during the retardation. Now let us, in this question, we are given the velocity of the bullet, initial velocity, that is u is equal to 16 meter per second. We are also given the distance the bullet travels during retardation, that is s is given as 0.4 meters. Now in this question, let us assume that retardation is constant. We are assuming that the tree trunk retards the bullet with a constant retardation. So when we have assumed that the retardation is constant, then we can apply the Newtonian equation, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. We have three Newtonian equation. One is this, other two are v is equal to u plus at, and the third is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So we can apply any of the three equations to solve this question. So we have to find the time taken. So in these two equations, time taken is used. We have the final velocity of the bullet, that is 0. Initial velocity is also known, but we do not have a and we do not have t. What we have is u and s. We have is u and s. We also have the final velocity v. V is equal to 0. So which equation we will use first? This equation. We have the final velocity 0, u as 16, and acceleration we have to find, and s is equal to 0.4 meters. So let us put the values. 0 is equal to 16 square plus 2a into 0.4. So acceleration will come out to be minus 256 divided by 0.8. So it will be equal to 320 meter per second square. The deceleration or the retardation of the bullet would be minus 320 meter per second square. Now we have the value of acceleration, we have the value of initial velocity, we have the value of final velocity. So when we will use v is equal to u plus at, we can find the value of time taken during the retardation. So let us put these the values in this equation. V is equal to 0, initial velocity is 16, retardation is minus 320 into time. So time would come out to be 16 upon 320, that is equal to 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05 seconds. So in such a small time, that is 0.05 seconds, the bullet which is moving at such a high speed, 16 meter per second, comes to rest. I hope you have understood this question. It was a simple question in which we are using two Newtonian equations of motion. We just need to assume that the retardation is constant, and we will simply put the values in the equations and solve t. Thank you.